You've heard of unconditional love, but have you heard of the secret to unconditional happiness and allowing more into your life? More wealth, more success, and more love. More freedom in your life right now. Welcome to the Happy Bar with Israel Savage. Zoom out and get a little more general, and let's start with, and you just stop me if I say something that you don't believe, okay? Because that's when we zoom out and when we practice this way, the second you doubt something or you don't believe it, then you're getting too specific. You want to zoom out again. So we're massaging a new belief into place. One thing I know for sure is that I'm an insightful person. Did you say that about yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, so there was a wobble there. One thing I know for sure is that I feel things deeply. I feel things deeply, and I like that about myself.
No, I don't feel good about that. I think I'm just so all over the spectrum.
Let's don't, as we're massaging this out, let's don't force a not good feeling story. Okay. We're just looking for a place that feels good that you can believe.
Well, that doesn't feel good.
There you go. One thing I know for sure is that my emotions can guide me. There belief there? It's okay if there's not.
I mean, I understand it, but I still feel shame around it.
Okay, so one thing I know for sure is that I feel things deeply, and I'm not the only person in the world who feels things deeply. Is that true?
Yeah.
There are many people who feel things deeply.
Okay.
There are many people who are successful and they feel things deeply.
Okay, I like that.
There are many people who feel things deeply. In fact, part of my humanity is feeling as well as thinking, but feeling. In fact, I am in touch with my humanity, and I'm here to have a human experience, and I like that I am in touch with my humanity. Is that true?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Good. I like that I am able to connect with other people through emotion. I like that. I like acting. I like that I'm able to channel these emotions. I like that about acting. I like creating characters. Oh, do I like creating characters. And what I love about creating characters is that I feel free.
Yeah.
Sometimes my characters feel things that are unpleasant, and sometimes they feel things that are pleasant, but I still feel free in the channeling of the character. Is that true?
Yes, very much.
I can find a free space to channel no matter if the emotion is pleasant or unpleasant. So I am capable of feeling free in spite of my emotions. We're still feeling good?
Mm-hmm.
My emotions don't feel me. My emotions don't control me. I am the feeler of the emotions. I am the thinker of the thoughts. Still good?
A little wobble with the I'm in control part.
Okay, so a different word than control. I am able to allow and relax. There are times that I'm not relaxed, but there are times that I am able to allow myself for emotion to flow through me. Doesn't have to get stuck. It flows through me. There are times it gets stuck, but there are times that it doesn't. I am capable of allowing emotion to flow through me. There are times that I might get in the way of allowing, but there sure are times that I don't. There are times that I allow. I 100% allow. And truth be told, in the times that I don't allow, I made it through those times. I'm okay. Here I am. Nothing was irreversible. It's all temporary. It's all temporary. In fact, the more that I see it as temporary, the more I'm able to allow. I'm getting better and better at this allowing thing. I'm starting to realize that, wow, I'm better at this than I thought. I can do it with my characters. Oh my gosh, I can do it with my characters. I could do it right now. I could do it on demand if I wanted. with my characters. Maybe all I need is to just step outside of this self that I've created, this character that I've created, even in the wobbles of this character that I've created that is myself. I can find freedom in that because I know wobbles self-correct. If you've ever seen a teeter-totter and you spin it around, eventually it's going to find a resting. It's going to stop teetering. It's going to find some sort of balance. And so I know that I can just get out of the way and let it happen. I know that sometimes there's already momentum in the spin, and it doesn't help me to be attached to that. Just let the spin finish and let it settle, and then I can pick it up and spin it again. I know it's all temporary. Look at that. I know exactly how to get out of my own way. Wow. I'm good at getting out. I'm good at getting out of my own way. I can get in my own way if I choose to, but I can step out of it if I choose to. This is my choice. This is my choice, whether I get in my way or out of my way. I am in charge. This is my show. This is my show. I like all of it. Oh, I like all of it. It's all working for my good. Good?
Yeah, much better.
So all we did was just zoom out into the general. And the second you find a wobble, or another way of saying that is something that you don't believe, there's some resistance toward, you just zoom out a little more. And you massage it into place.
If you liked what you just heard, then take inspired action now. That's right, act while you are feeling good. And build on your momentum. Schedule your free discovery call with me at instudios-nyc.com/happybar.